Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to new video. You're watching the Mr. Amog YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, share to your friends, like, comment for more videos. Today we are going to unbox this noise colourfit Pulse Grande fitness smartwatch, which is available in online 2500 approximately. It may vary. You can see the specs, what are inside this box, and listen to the noise within. You can see here the specs is I think this is the noise fit app which you should download to connect this smart band. Come, let's unbox. I think you should push like this, it will slide. Keep aside. What and all you will get. Register warranty card. You should register. Stickers of noise logo. Keep aside. Here is our watch. We'll keep aside. I am using this smartwatch from 2-3 weeks. Charging, magnetic charging dock, and inside, oh no, this much big warranty, no, this is a guide. Oh no, what is this much big, who will read? Throw aside. Come, let's see what and all inside the box. This is the items, means which will be inside the box. I tempered this watch already. You can see back side, it is plastic. Side also it looks like metal, but it is plastic. Removable silicone straps. See, it is strap quality is nice. They wrote here same thought. Listen to the noise within. It is the crown. Some clicky feel it gives. Let's boot it up. You can see it is vibrate and noise. It is on. This boot. It is a 1.69 TFT display, which is okay. Here are the notification. If you scroll like this, you can see notification bar, and downwards battery saver, find my phone, brightness. It is see peak brightness, do not disturb, torch. It is visible in night, okay. And settings will go afterwards. And if you turn right, activity bar, heart rate, stress, breathing, music, that's all. And if you click once this crown, noise, active, health, activity, sleep monitoring, SPO2, heart rate, stress, cycle tracker, and clock, alarm, stopwatch, world clock. Sports above, I think 30 it is, yeah, 60 sports mode. It is like how see sports modes and sports record and weather, reminder, flashlight, watch face. And next we go through setting, ways to wake up, no, first brightness, vibration, ways to wake up, it is on, and device information, leave it off, do not disturb, QR, reboot, power off and restart. This is the feature of this watch, and it is IP68 waterproof. You can see it is here, and it has a feature that is call and SMS quick replay. Shall I show it how it will work? Wait a second, I will show it. See, I am calling. Your phone is coming. You can see here in watch. You can send message. I will share message. Quick reply. Let me get back to you. Call. Can I call you later? Sorry, I cannot talk right now. I will send. I am in meeting right now. It is messages. The message has been sent. That was the quick replay, and this is a find my phone. You can see my phone is ringing. It's running, and that was the video of this watch. And one thing, heart rate, it is so accurate that sensors are so accurate. See, it is on now, finger is on, I kept it, it is on. See, so much accurate it is. If I keep in on table, I think it will not show me, it will say wear your band. See, wear watch properly and retry. It will not work as it, and it is nice, and display is also nice. We will see the outdoor condition, and this is a magnetic charger which connects here, which is connected now. And see, I'm not holding watch, it can hold the weight of this watch. That's all. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. You cannot see the pixels. You can see pixel. No. See pixels of this watch. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching once again. See you in next video of the review of this Firebolt smart watch in the next video. Tata, bye bye.